Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change your angles from an azimuth to a bearing readout, which is extra useful if you want to be doing traversals or calculations and you're used to working in bearings. So what I'm going to do is I've opened up this project here, and I'm going to head to the bottom left corner into my plumb bob icon and then select Settings and Options. This is going to bring up my options menu unsurprisingly here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my default units drop down here. I'm going to open that up, and if I scroll down a bit here, you can see that I have a couple different options. I have my angle unit, which is set to degrees, but what I want to change is my direction format that currently has the north azimuth selected. And what I'm going to do from this drop down is instead of north azimuth or south azimuth, I'm going to choose bearing. And once I hit OK, that will be saved, and any future angle measurements I make will be with the bearing format. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use MicroSurvey's FieldGenius to change your angle from an azimuth to a bearing. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.